Presented to the court makes the following findings: that Darryl Barrera Jr. was born on November 25th, 2008, and is 16 years of age at the present time. That the child is alleged to have violated the penal law of the grade of felony. That the respondent was 14 years of age or older, but under 17 years of age at the time he allegedly committed the charge of murder, a first-degree felony. That no adjudication concerning the alleged offense has been made and no adjudication appearing concerning the offense has been conducted. That there is probable cause to believe that Darryl Barrera Jr., the child who is before this court, committed the offense alleged in the state's petition, and that because of the seriousness of the offense alleged and the background of the child and the welfare of the community requires criminal proceedings. That among other matters, the court considers the statutory factors set out in Family Code 5402F to include whether the alleged offenses were against a person or property, the sophistication and maturity of the child, the record and previous history of the child, and the prospects of adequate protection of the public and the likelihood of the rehabilitation of the child by use of procedures, services, facilities currently available to the juvenile court. That the petition and notice requirements of sections 5304, 5305, 5306, and 5307 of the Texas Family Code have been satisfied, and the summons states that the hearing is for the purpose of considering discretionary transfer to criminal court. This cause is hereby certified on the offense of murder. The court grants the state's petition and waives exclusive original jurisdiction and transfers Darryl Barrera Jr. to the appropriate district court for criminal proceedings. The court's order of discretionary transfer will be reduced to writing and will state specifically the reasons for the transfer. Also, Darryl Barrera Jr. will remain here in juvenile detention until his court date. Also, the 436 will maintain this case here in this court. At this time, the juvenile case has ended. It's time for the adult case. Darryl Barrera, stand up, please. Now you will be magged and a bond set. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say or do anything regarding these allegations. You have the right to have your attorney cross-examine witnesses and provide defense for you and make the state prove this charge beyond a reasonable doubt. You also have a right to a jury trial in front of your peers. You also have a right to a bond. The court's going to set the bonds. State, you have a recommendation?
Your Honor, $500,000.
Oh my God.
All right, Ms. Guerrero.
I'm asking for $100,000, a bond that is reasonable, but is still high enough to protect the public.
Okay, the court's going to set a bond at $250,000. Ms. Guerrero, please get with Martha to set a court date, and we'll proceed. State, anything further?
Your Honor, in order for there to be a court date, it has to be indicted.
I understand that. Okay. Ms. Guerrero?
I agree with Ms. Walter on that.
I agree with it too.